Hi children, today we are going to discuss about groundwater and surface water. Okay, before that now tell me, where does the water in the lakes and rivers come from? Where does the water in the rivers and lakes or oceans come from? Yes, and where does the water in the well come from? We have learned about well. Where does this water come from? Yes, today we are going to discuss about the water from where the water comes from. Okay, and see here there is the water found below the soil. So this is the land, this is the soil. So now here our houses are there, something. We are living here, but under the ground what we call soil. So under the soil we have water. Okay, under the ground in the soil we have water. So when we are building a new house, we used to keep boring so that we get water from this pipe like this, and this was keeping the pipes to our homes. So how we are getting water in the taps? From the groundwater. This is called the groundwater. The water which we are getting from the soil under the ground we call as a groundwater. And seas, oceans or rivers, they were on the land. Are they under the ground? No, they were on the ground, on the surface of the ground. So what we call this type of water? Surface water. And the water which we are getting under the ground we call as a groundwater. What we call? Groundwater. Now we are getting water from two types. What are they? Groundwater and surface water. Okay? Yes children, the main source of the water we are getting was from the rain. Yes or no? From the rain we are getting the water on the earth. After falling on the earth, the water will go into the soil. Yes? And here the water is. By that we are getting the groundwater. How? By the tube well, hand pump. Yes? We are getting all this from under the soil. So we call it as a groundwater. We are getting from the ground. And surface water, we can see the water on the land like rivers. Can you see? On the surface of the land only. Yes or no? Sea, ocean, lakes and ponds. Yes or no children? All this we can see with our eyes on the surface of the land. Can you see the water under the surface of the land? Under the ground, can you see? No. But what are the sources of the water we are getting? We are getting the water from the ground and surface of the land. So we call under the ground what we call groundwater. On the surface we call surface water. Underground, groundwater. Surface of the land, surface water. Okay? Nothing but it is that only. Okay? What else are the common sources of the water that have surface water? What are the common sources? All this water can be seen with our eyes. They are on the surface of the water. River, sea, ocean, lake and ponds. And the water which we are getting in our home from the taps, all these are groundwater. When it rains, the water goes under the soil. Okay, it enters into the soil and forms the groundwater. And when it rains, sometimes it falls on the rivers, sea also, no? So here also we can find the water surface. Okay children, now tell me one question. How we are getting water in Himalayas? Yes, that also nothing but see here. These are the mountains. When the sun getting heat on this Himalayas, here snow will be, no? The snow will melt and they form the water. This is also source of the water, surface water. Can we see? Yes, we And last question, could groundwater and the surface water be the same? Groundwater and surface water be the same, children? Yes, both ground and surface water are filled with the rain only. Yes or no? How it is filling? The groundwater is filling because of the rain, and surface water also filling because of the rain. Both are same and both are the sources of the rain, and both water we are using. Okay, open your textbooks. Yes, children, open page number 96. Groundwater and surface water sources. When rainwater goes inside the soil, it is known as groundwater. We dig holes deep into the ground to get this water. We get groundwater from wells and tube wells. Surface water is the water found on the ground. We get surface water from rivers, lakes, ponds, seas and oceans. Yes or no, children? Yes. Now open your volume. Open your volume, page number 38, write the date. Ground and surface water. Fill in the blanks. The water deep inside the ground is called dash water. I think you know. The water on the top of the ground we call it as a dash water. Number 2. Which of these sources of water are the same? What is the same among them, about them? Okay, write the reason. Some are same and some are unsame. Why they are same? You want to write the reason. Number 3. Where does groundwater come from? Yes, where does this groundwater come from? Write the reason.